This is gonna turn bad real quick. Hey guys, it's Not a Mercenary, and today I will be doing another makeup challenge video. I'm a little bit scared and a little bit excited, so let's just get into it. So the challenge is basically to do your makeup in opposite order than you usually would. So the last thing I would do, and I wrote it down too so we won't get lost. The last thing I would usually do would be eyelashes. This is not a good idea because everyone knows that if you put on eyelashes without having powder or mascara on your lids, they're going to be slipping and sliding because your eyelids are naturally oily. So this is going to be interesting to see if these don't fly off within like 0.5 seconds of having them on. Also, y'all, if my new wig looks a little shiny, a little out of place, don't come for me. This is exactly out of the package. I mean, for out of the package, it's really cute. I haven't plucked the hairline. I barely glued it down. I still glued it down though, so y'all should be proud of me because I never glue my wigs down. This is the kind of wave it came with. It's really cute. It's just a little bit shiny. Like, I haven't washed it or anything, but I still wanted to wear it because I think it's really cute, even though I haven't done anything to it yet. By the way, in case you guys wanted to know, these are the Cara number 48 lashes. And I don't think that I've worn these on the channel yet, just because I like really dramatic lashes and these are kind of a little natural for me. But if it was like a regular day, like a regular glam, then I'd probably wear something like this. Okay, so the eyelashes are on, and this inside of this eyelash kind of feels like it wants to fly up, so it may be flying up very shortly. Next thing I would do before the lashes would be highlight. So I'm going to take this AOA Studio brush, dip into this AOA Studio Wonder Baked highlighter. By the way, this is the F19 brush, and I guess just put it on. See, this look would be cute if we just stopped here, you know, if we just didn't mess with anything we're about to mess with. But we're about to slop on foundation, we're about to slop on concealer, we're about to just mess everything up. So if you like this look, then say goodbye to it because it's not gonna be here for long. Okay, next thing I would do before that, before, right? Not after, I don't know. I'm going to take this AOA Studio F14 brush and dip into this Amuse Cosmetics blush, and this is in the color Tequila Sunrise. And this feels so wrong. Like, I'm so used to just having like a powder on. It looks, ew. Who invented this? Like, why do people do this? Like, what are challenges for? Just like for the sheer amusement of the watcher, like of the viewer, you know? I guess. Next, before that, I would do lipstick. And this is the LA Colors lipstick in the color Classy. Wait, so if you played this video backwards, would it look like I did my makeup forwards? And now we are going to go in with some foundation. And this is a little troubling because I always do primer first. So primer is going to be last, and that's gonna suck. This is currently the only foundation that I have that's not full coverage. That's my skin tone, because in my last video, I'm about to cover all of this highlight with this. Can I go around it? No, this is, I don't care. This feels so wrong. I feel like I'm just wasting makeup. I'm wasting makeup for your enjoyment. To the person who commented this and requested this, this is for you. If you guys commented in my last video and you left me a suggestion about what you would like to see next, stay tuned, keep on watching, because I'm gonna do it. I promised you I would, and I will. Someone asked for a tattoo tour, and someone asked for me to follow a James Charles or Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. and those will be coming soon. So get ready to cry and get ready to laugh and get ready to watch me fail. So next thing that's on the list is mascara, and I'm taking this Amuse Pro Big Mega Lash waterproof mascara. I never put mascara on once I'm wearing eyelashes because I feel like it makes the eyelashes get really dirty and like clumpy. So I don't enjoy this. Okay, and now for the part that I am not excited about, I'm going to have to do eyeshadow and ruin these lashes, and then I'm going to have to freaking wash them. I usually don't have to wash my eyelashes until they start getting like clumpy with a lot of glue on them. I don't know if that sounds gross, but that's just me. And I don't want to do a full glam, but I feel like it would be more exciting for you to watch if I did. So I think I'm going to make a little look with this palette just for you guys because I love you and I'm going to fail for your entertainment. So first I'm going to take this color Flushed and put that in my crease. Oh my gosh, let me tell y'all something that happened earlier this morning. Okay, so this morning I was gluing on my wig and making my friend breakfast because my friend came over. So we were talking and I asked her, hey, do you think this wig looks ugly with this shirt? Not this shirt, it was some kind of ugly little tie-dye shirt, okay? And so she was like, yeah, that looks ugly. And then I was like, oh my gosh, shut up, you know, whatever. And then I was like, thanks for telling me the truth. And then freaking my Google Home in my kitchen said, you're welcome. Are you kidding? This is like Alexa all over again. Then I'm going to take the color Cabaret. And that freaked me out genuinely. It was like seeing a ghost or hearing a ghost because you were not expecting it. I mean, I'm not one to believe that like AI is going to take over the world. What the? Okay, something just happened on my phone where it said it was like, it said it was saving something, and then it said unidentified caller at the top, and then it just like stopped. The government's coming for me and they're gonna snatch my wig. So I'll update you guys when I'm in a government facility. It'll be great. We'll have a vlog about it. It'll be cute. And I'm going to take the color Eye Contact. I've never used it before. And put that on my finger and try to freaking avoid my eyelash. Put it on the outside. And then I'm going to take the color Clutch. Put that on this finger. Oh! I touched my eyelash, but I don't think you can tell. This looks so bad with the freaking blue-green hair I'm wearing. Okay, this don't look so bad. Oh my gosh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to do the concealer and setting my face after the lipstick. Did I? What's going on? Wait, lashes, highlighter, blush, lipstick. I forgot to set my face and conceal, and then I did foundation, mascara, eyeshadow. So I guess let's go ahead and put some concealer on. It tastes like fish. This is like green tea. Like, I feel like it's healthy for you, so I'm drinking it, but it doesn't taste that good. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder and set that. I just remembered something. We're going to have to put concealer on our eyes and set our eyes too. I look like a drag queen. No offense to drag queens, like y'all are cute, you know, but like I look like a dropout drag queen, you know? Or I feel that way right now. And then before eyeshadow, I would set my eyes with powder. So we're gonna take that setting powder again on this e.l.f. Kabuki brush and set our eyes. I'm not okay with this. Look at me, I look like a powdered donut. Okay, and now we conceal our eyes. So put concealer all over my lid. And under. This is gross. There's already powder right there. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Ew. It's not blending out. It's just a line. Whoa. Ew. Wow. Okay, I need to stop because this is not going to blend because this stuff dries so freaking quick. Oh! I look like I did crack for the 1500th time. Alright, and then before this step, I do some eyebrows, and I'm feeling a little bit like a crackhead. So I'm gonna roll with this theme, and I'm going to create a whole new eyebrow for this crackhead look, okay? So I'm going to conceal my eyebrows actually, and I'm going to create a whole new brow. Okay, so for this cracked out eyebrow look, we are going to take our pencil. This is the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in the color dark brown, I think. And we're just going to make a natural line that imitates our own brow. But you just want a line. Like, you don't want to make it look like bushy, because everyone knows that when you're doing crack, you don't think about natural brows. You think about, how can I put on a brow and leave and go do some crack? Like, is this offensive? Am I gonna get flagged? I'll stop talking about crack then, okay? And if little Julio across the street doesn't like you after this, he doesn't know what he's missing. Oh my god, can someone make a meme out of this? Like, out of me looking like this? Oh my god, y'all know that girl? She's like, I look like Mona Lisa, right? You know that girl?
So that's why I call him the Arch of Destiny?
That's me. You know what? Let's take this look just a little bit further. So I'm just gonna line my lip with my eyebrow pencil. And it's okay to overline, because when you overline, you save some time. You save the time of looking ugly and of feeling the despair when you have small lips. Okay, so I think this looks really good. And the last step I would do in my makeup routine would be primer. And I've been really dry lately, so I think I'm going to use two types of primers. Oh my god, this is way too much. Okay, and then we're just going to pat that onto our beautiful face. Now y'all gotta get that healthy glow, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't miss out on this. And with that remaining, you can just put it on your elbow to put a little moisturizer, you know what I'm saying? Because no matter who you are, everyone gets dry elbows. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I know I look crazy. I feel crazy. My skin's starting to burn. I can't wait to wash this off. But thank you guys again so much for watching. This was crazy. I guess this was kind of like a parody. I wasn't planning on doing this, but if you stayed and you watched, thank you so much. Leave your ideas, tips, and comments in the comments below, and tell me what else you guys want to see. I'll do anything. I'll do anything from tutorials to challenges. It's whatever you guys want. Disclaimer, I'm not trying to bash drag queens. I love them so much. They're way better at makeup than I could ever be. So this was just a funny little parody. YouTube, please don't flag me. Google Home, please don't come and snatch my wig. I'm actually really scared of you. And so, again, don't get offended. It's all just good fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.